Hey guys, so I was kind of watching my previous video which I uploaded in 2018. So yeah, just watching my old video, kind of a what do we say, going on to the past memories. So apart from that, uh, oh actually my video size is big and you were not able to see the video which I was watching. I think yeah, leave that. I was just watching my old videos. So hey guys, how you been? It's been long time. I've been inactive on the YouTube stuff. So thought let's instead of just starting with the content like making a video on Flutter or React, instead of that, first make first I should make a intro or summary video for the channel. For example, the subscribers which I have, they should know like what kind of content they are going to, like what kind of content they can expect right in future. So to answer that question, I think, see, suppose if I subscribe a channel and then if that channel is inactive for a long time, then I basically, instead of getting the content, boom boom boom, I would be like, it would be great first we get a heads up like this kind, in this direction that channel is going to get right, so we can stay subscribed or we can unsubscribe and go right. So for that, the purpose of this video is that. Okay, so yeah, so see, I was kind of a guy who learned like Java first, like creating desktop application and stuff like that. And then as Python began to like famous, like spread out, at that time I thought, yeah, let's jump right into it. So I started Python and then the web development like Django framework in the Python, and I was a Python guy, like mostly creating Python stuff like Django websites and all. I had one book, like I was learning from that and creating small projects. Those were cool projects, yeah. So beyond that, after like that, but still that I didn't had a real client or like real earning from coding. And then the lockdown happened. At the lockdown, as we were all packed up at our houses, so at that time I got one client who demanded me that he wants a mobile app, and I had zero, literally the zero experience in iOS or Android, right? So I thought, instead of saying no, I have some time and brain, so let's like find some uh, courses and YouTube stuff. YouTube is always great. So I started with Flutter, because Flutter can give out like iOS or Android both app with single code base. So I thought, yeah, let's get started with this, and I learned Flutter. Like the Flutter was so easy, I am confused. See, either I had the experience in Python and Java, so the Flutter was easy, or maybe the Flutter is easy. I don't know. Either of them will be true. So I learned Flutter, and by learning Flutter, like within a week, I learned like creating a UI, basic UI, and also I started the work which client gave me, and it was amazing journey till now. Like now I know almost, I consider myself professional in Flutter. Okay, and the things Flutter provides, it's like now I'm feeling kind of Flutter as like Google Flutter has sponsored me, but not. Okay, so the the things which Flutter provides are amazing. Like it's very easy and the concepts are totally new. I think it's new and stuff like that. So uh, by the time I was learning Flutter, I also was learning, like before that I was learning React. So just a second, I will show you. This is just kind of a overall view at at what direction the channel is going to go. So kind of you and me talking. Okay, so yeah, I also bought one mic, this blue one, Flutter earned money. So yeah, so I thought, like, see, like truly the Flutter, like in, I will tell you, I want to, like, tell you so much thing at a time. I have to control it. Yeah, I will tell you at a time. So first I will show you the timeline, but why this Chrome piece of shit is not loading? Come on, man. This happens to me always. Like previously, like past few days, I keep coming live and checking, like, should I go live every time or should I go, like, record a video and upload it. My laptop keeps hanging up. It's like kind of universe indicating like you should buy MacBook M1. So so let's see how that goes. I have some plan, but YouTube is not loading. Wow, come on, man, this never happened. Okay, okay. Wow. This is Asus tough laptop, TUF. Never buy this if you want to stream, or my it was my mistake. Yeah, I think it's going to load finally. Wow, if this is the case, then how am I going to record the videos itself? Like, live was hard, but video? Hmm. Okay. Come on, man, don't stuck. You piece of shit. I want to slam it, but I cannot. I want to, but I cannot. Hmm. Why is this hanging up? I don't know. Okay, please bear with me. So I'm going to go here at the video section, and basically I just want to show like what kind of content I was making at that time and all. So see, if you go here, wow, yeah, so around, wow, I am back video is 6 months ago, and I'm making kind of that video again. Okay, leave that. So this React sliding menu, this video especially, I think, yeah, this video. So see, I was kind of, I don't know why I opened that, like it was no point, right? Okay, my apologies. So see, I learned Flutter and I was able to make a like quite decent app. Like almost one has gone public, and like their like users are rolling in. So apart from that, see, I learned Flutter, and the way the concept Flutter provides and the easiness and all good stuff about the Flutter, I thought, hey, why don't I should like concentrate more on Flutter on YouTube. At that way, like I can provide more value on a particular field, and it will be good. So yeah, so basically in future, for example, after this video I'm going to start the Flutter series. I am going to start recording the Flutter series. For example, the basics of Flutter series. First I'm going to roll out the basics of Flutter. Okay, for example, how to draw a layout, and how to navigate, how to like take one data from one screen to second screen, pass the data one screen to second screen, and stuff like that. And later on, hopefully, state management. Okay, so that is my plan. and with that I'm going to also make videos on like creating a responsive website, or my plan is to create the clones of famous websites in React.js and famous clones of famous app in Flutter. Okay, so yep, this is my plan. Let's go see how this time it goes. Now I'm just mumbling, I don't know, like there is no other thing, no other stuff to say. That's it for this video. I'm going to catch up with you guys in another one, which will be around Flutter, React and Node. Okay, so yeah, it was great. Like even I stopped like around 3-4 months. I'm not uploading, I haven't uploaded a single video yet, but the subscribers, like on an average per day one or something like that, it's keep increasing the subscriber count. Thank you for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch up in the next one.